Well, well, well. What do we have here? Alright, so starting off, we have this little tiny Faraday panel. Or rather, what was a Faraday panel at one time. As you can see, they gutted it out, but that's interesting. 13200 system. Never seen that, but it doesn't have a board, so that really sucks. But, that's cool. Then over here we have this Edwards Adaptahorn. It's a 10-volt one. In real nice shape back here too, wow. And then we have this, which unfortunately has no mounting plate, but that's not a problem. Trouble bell, which looks like the gong. Yeah, never mind. 340T. Pretty cool. Let's look at the panel. Alright, so here's the panel, which has a sticker on it from Allstate. Or is this a magnet? Oh, it's a magnet. That makes sense though, because this was originally in service in Adrian, so that's funny. Yeah, so there's the Edwards tag. This meter obviously should not be exposed like that. I think I have a spare one that I can swap around some components on though, like the glass, unless the frame on this one's broken, then I can just swap the innards. But yeah, so here's the light, which is real nice dark red. Open this up. Here we have a inspection tag from Ultimate Fire and Safety Services, which is in Howell. This is looks like it's kind of deteriorating, but that's cool. And then up here we've got, I don't know what the deal is with this, but there should be a trouble lamp right there that'll line up with that. We've got your reset switch, and these wires running across here, but this is the lamp silent switch, little trouble switch. So we'll close that door, and this key is bent. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, it's a Cat 45 key. I did not know these panels use that. So open it up. It's kind of catching up here. There we go. Oh man, that's too bad. Looks like they disconnected it. I will have to take a look at that and see if I can reattach it though. Oh, actually, it looks like they just cut it like this. Well, that's pretty nice. The fact that they label everything, not just numbers, standard electric time. But anyways, so, oh shoot, look at that. We've got a bunch of random crap in the bottom. Which included among that is the trouble buzzer. Nice. Yeah, if you look at this is the same covers that they use on the coded stations. You can see that would be where the switch would be. It looks like this panel did March time. I was expecting it to do common code, but that's cool nonetheless. So yeah, there's also a bunch of tags and screws and conduit bits and pieces down there. But yeah, I love the fact that they make it so you can see everything like this. Oh, this is the master code. Or actually no, this is the auxiliary relay. That's the master code relay. Then you've got, oh, this is a city tie. Okay, a supervisory. You've got your line resistor, supervisory resistor, and then your signal resistors. Which all this is fixed, which I don't really like. Looks like it was made in 1965. So yeah, I can't get over the fact that Edwards really did their panels nicely. Like, look at this. Okay, these I'm not entirely sure about other than alarm right there. Then you've got your power in, you can see that. And then the up here you've got stuff labeled like the meter, your signal circuits, which it looks like only one of those was being used on this panel. So then we'll look at these drawings, which is it's got initiating contacts on it. Yeah, I might just want to try and scan these in before I really look at them, because I don't want them to fall apart. These are very much not in the best of shape, but yeah, so I guess I gotta take her apart, get all that wiring out, clean it up, and then I'll be back after that.